Full body workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Let's start our cardio session with mountain climber cardio. It's a great way to warm up and get your heart rate going. Let's do this for 1 minute. Exercise 2. Next is exercise but kicks cardio. Bring your knees up high and keep your core tight to maximize calorie burn. Go for 45 seconds. Exercise 3. Moving on to mountain climber cardio. Keep your back flat and drive your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. Exercise 4. Now let's do plyo jack cardio. Maintain a steady pace and breathe deeply. If you like these workouts, please subscribe Fit Motion for more. Exercise 5. Now slow it down with some jumping jack cardio. Use this time to recover while keeping your body in motion. Do this for 1 minute.